ZMISHIBO 52-inch ceiling fan with light, app and remote control. Flush mount low profile, 20W LED. The ZMISHIBO 52 model is a large, low-profile ceiling fan built for open bedrooms, living rooms, or apartments where a flush mount is desired without sacrificing sweep. The listing promotes a 52-inch blade span combined with a quiet, reversible motor, dimmable 20-watt integrated LED, and both app and remote control for smart home convenience. Important specs include the 52 diameter for broad circulation, multi-speed motor, commonly 3 to 6 speeds, quiet reversible operation, flush mount design for low ceilings, dimmable LED light rated around 20W with specific lumen output listed on the product page, and app compatibility for Wi-Fi control alongside the included remote. Customer feedback on the listing often highlights the advantage of app control for scheduling and remote access, with users saying that the app pairing makes it easy to change CCT and dim settings without climbing a ladder. Many reviewers praise the surprisingly powerful airflow for a low-profile design and the quiet motor that enables comfortable sleeping conditions. A few critical comments focus on installation complexity, especially attaching the housing securely to ceiling junction boxes, and the need to follow the instructions carefully when pairing the app or trimming excess chain packaging parts. Overall, reviewers report good value for money, a large sweep, smart control features, and a dimmable LED that gives usable brightness across its CCT range. If you want to purchase, we share by links in description box.